If you haven't connected Claude with WordPress yet, now's the time. With Claude, you can generate high-end, fully AI-generated websites with your favorite page builder in just a few prompts. You can also create dozens of pages with the same design style in order to help you rank for SEO. And you can fully optimize your entire website, including all your pages, in about 20 seconds. It takes all the grunt work out of WordPress so you can focus on you and your business. So today I'll show you how to connect Claude with WordPress, and it's actually gotten a lot easier. You don't need to adjust any JSON files, you don't need to know any code, and you don't need to use the terminal either. All you need to do is copy and paste a link and you're done. It's really simple, so let me show you how to do it. So here's my WordPress website. Looks really good, right? Now what we're first gonna do is install a plugin. This is gonna connect Claude with WordPress. So in the video description, there is a link to novamira.ai, and this is the free plugin that we're gonna use to connect Claude with our website. So once you get here, you'll click on download for free, and then you'll click on download zip. You can also sign up for their newsletter. They do give you important updates every time they add an MCP, so it is pretty useful. But going back to our website, we're now going to upload that plugin. So let's go over here to dashboard. Next thing we'll do is go over here to plugins and click on add plugin. Here at the top, I'll click on upload plugin, and then I will upload this plugin right here, Novamira. I'll just drag and drop it, and then I'll click on install now. All right, then I'll click on activate. All right, so once you install Novamira,